Is it time to buy or sell supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we are diving deep into supermicrocomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 13th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of July, 2024, our system has identified supermicrocomputer as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.75. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 20.26%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.35% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases are expected. The present 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately -24.43% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -36.65% to +8.72%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of about 109.86% over the next year, with a potential return between 86.91% and 462.60%. This suggests a price range of approximately 1,060.61 to 3,192.37 after a year. Our latest daily update for supermicrocomputer includes the headline, Supermicrocomputer stock price up nearly 5% on Tuesday. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 13th of August, 2024, the stock price of supermicrocomputer increased by nearly 5%, rising from $540.98 to $567.43. During that same day, the stock experienced fluctuations of over 6%, reaching a low of $549.06 and a high of $583.87. The stock has shown volatility during this period, and there has been a loss of nearly 15% over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume also decreased by 1 million shares on the last day, with a total of 8 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $4,570 million. It is important to note that declining volume amid rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock reached $1,229, while the lowest was $226.59. Currently, the price stands 53.83%, or $661.57, below that 52-week high, which remains the all-time high for the stock. Supermicrocomputer Inc. has released its fiscal fourth quarter results, revealing mixed performance. However, a significant highlight is the record low inventory, indicating a strong and ongoing demand for its products. This trend could positively influence the company's cash conversion cycle in the upcoming quarters. Recently, the stock experienced considerable fluctuations, dropping over 20% after the earnings announcement, despite showing profitability and robust sales, especially in the artificial intelligence hardware segment, which continues to be a key growth driver. The announcement of a 10-for-1 stock split is noteworthy, as it reduces the price barrier for retail investors, potentially increasing market liquidity and drawing more interest to the stock. Currently, Supermicro has enjoyed a remarkable year-to-date stock increase of 90%, solidifying its position as a top-performing stock in the S&P 500 during the first half of the year. Despite a recent cooling in sentiment within the artificial intelligence market, analysts are forecasting a robust revenue growth of 87% over the next 4 quarters. This suggests that the stock may be undervalued at a forward price-to-earnings ratio of 16 times. With substantial growth potential and an estimated 37% upside, Supermicro appears to offer a compelling investment opportunity in both the short and long term, particularly as the artificial intelligence sector continues to evolve. While negative economic indicators, such as rising unemployment, may introduce overall market volatility, Supermicro's resilience within its sector could enable it to navigate these challenges effectively. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned SMCI a hold rating with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Goldman Sachs also gave SMCI a neutral rating with a hold action. Additionally, on Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024, Barclays rated SMCI as overweight with a hold action. Earlier, on Wednesday, the 1st of May, 2024, Bank of America Securities rated SMCI with a buy grade and a hold action. On the same date, Goldman Sachs again provided SMCI with a neutral rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Supermicro Computer stock a general neutral rating. They assessed the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio similarly as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts classify the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Supermicro Computer. Today, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. The Supermicro Computer stock presents a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this results in an overall negative outlook for the stock. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $751.64. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $549.37. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would introduce an additional sell signal and reinforce the overall negative sentiment. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. A buy signal was triggered from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, August 7th, 2024, and so far, the stock has risen by 15.17%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. It is noteworthy that volume decreased during the last trading day, despite rising prices. This indicates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, closely monitoring the stock is advisable. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have shown a buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. The short-term moving average presented a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average presents a sell signal 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 17 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average provided a sell signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average displayed a sell signal 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages offered a buy signal 46 days ago. For more insights and signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicro Computer. Supermicro Computer finds support from accumulated volume at 540.98, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. This stock experiences significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a considerable prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated 34.81 between its high and low, resulting in a change of 6.34%. In the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 8.77%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for supermicrocomputer, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio falls within a typical range, often associated with companies that have established histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $7.65. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for supermicrocomputer. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for supermicrocomputer is at $616.94. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading opportunities. On the downside, supermicrocomputer encounters its first support level at $540.98. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for supermicrocomputer from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the 9th of August, 2024, Daniel W. Fairfax conducted an insider purchase of 316 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, Tally C. Liu executed an insider purchase of 515 shares of stock options, which is the right to buy. Also on the 9th of August, 2024, Tally C. Liu purchased 158 shares of restricted stock units. On that same day, Sherman Tuan made an insider purchase of 316 shares of restricted stock units. Lastly, Judy L. Lin conducted an insider purchase of 515 shares of stock options on the 9th of August, 2024. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative, with a ratio of negative 3.344. In total, insiders purchased 14,619 shares and sold 15,767 shares in these last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? Supermicrocomputer displays several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative outlook on this stock. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 14th of August, we anticipate that supermicrocomputer will open lower by approximately 643 cents, starting the day at $566.79. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.